Want to use your Chime card with Apple Pay? Although you can't hold a balance in Apple Pay, you can still spend money using your Chime card through it. Here's how to add a Chime card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to add a new card. Follow the prompts to add a new card. You can use your iPhone's camera to capture your Chime card information, or enter it manually. Once your card details are captured, tap Next. Your bank will verify your information, and you might be asked to provide additional information or verify via text or email. Once verified, your Chime card will be added to your Apple Wallet. You can use your Chime card to make a purchase wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Just select your Chime card at checkout, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and you're good to go. Make sure to keep your Chime card updated in the Wallet app to avoid any interruptions during purchases. And that's it. Now you can enjoy the convenience of using your Chime card with Apple Pay. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video if you found it helpful. See you next time.